Today I'm walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to declare foreign income on your UK tax return. You can use HMRC login to file self-assessment tax return. However, I'm using professional software Iris Elements to declare and file foreign income. Hit subscribe if you want more practical UK tax tutorials like this. Log into your HMRC online account using your government gateway ID. Once you are in, click self-assessment and then file your return. Next step is to tailor your return. Scroll to the tailor your return section. This first section decides which pages HMRC shows you. Scroll down to tell us about your income. Now take whatever income you receive, like foreign income and any other income types you have, for example, self-employment, property, or foreign dividend income. Then click Continue. You will now see all the sections HMRC wants you to complete, including a new section called Foreign, that is where I will spend most of my time. Now click Foreign and start writing foreign dividends. This page is for any dividends you receive from overseas companies, for example, from US stocks or foreign investment platforms. Total foreign dividends before tax. Enter the full amount in pound sterling before any foreign tax was deducted. If your dividends are in another currency, convert them using HMRC's annual average rates. Foreign tax taken off, enter the foreign withholding tax that has been paid and the country where dividend was paid. Select the country from HMRC's drop-down list. Claim foreign tax credit relief. Select yes if foreign tax was already deducted. This avoids double taxation. Click Save and Continue. Foreign interest. Click Foreign interest and other income. This is for foreign bank accounts. For example, interest from accounts in India or any offshore accounts. Gross interest, that is converted to pound sterling. Foreign tax deducted country, country of bank if there is no foreign tax deducted. Leave that box blank. Click Save and Continue. Foreign property income from overseas. This is for rental income from property abroad, for example, an apartment in UAE. Enter total rent received before any deductions. Then comes property expenses. You can claim mortgage interest. Relief may be restricted. Repair and maintenance, management fee, other expenses. HMRC calculates this profit automatically. If the foreign country deducted tax from rental income, enter it here. Relief claim. Select yes, claim double tax relief. Click foreign tax credit relief. HMRC will now ask whether you want to claim foreign tax credit relief. Always claim foreign tax credit relief when tax was already paid abroad to avoid double taxation. You can claim up to the lower of the UK tax due on that income. The foreign tax paid, click Continue. Check your return. Show summary page. HMRC will now show a summary of everything entered. Give you the amounts in pound sterling, countries, foreign tax deducted, relief claims. Save and submit your tax return to HMRC. Your foreign income is now properly declared to HMRC, and don't forget to subscribe for more tax tips.